watching for highs near 70 degrees this week will continue. High fire danger for today and also tomorrow, and that winter weather alerts will be in effect tonight. Let's talk about what we have seen in February so far. We have seen some warm temperatures for February. Our coldest day was February 20th, which was on the 28th. Now, when it comes to February 24th, the 16th, we hit 70 degrees, and then on February 9th, we hit 71 degrees. Now, it has been a warm February so far, 11 days with 60-degree weather plus in 22 days above normal. And we're going to continue to see record temperatures as we get closer and closer to our Wednesday and Thursday. Those red flag warnings will stay in effect until about 5 p.m. tonight, going into effect once again for tomorrow from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. with wind gusts up to about 55 miles per hour. Heading into your Tuesday night, this is what we're going to be seeing around that 8 o'clock hour. Places like Idaho Springs, Bailey, they're going to see wind gusts possible up to about 38 miles per hour. Allen's Park can see wind gusts up to about 53 miles per hour. Winds will start to calm down for certain places like the Metro and the Eastern Plains, but by Wednesday late morning going into Wednesday afternoon, it's going to be widespread strong winds across the northeastern plains, places like Fort Morgan, Sterling, all the way into the foothills, Idaho Springs, going into the high country for places like Steamboat Springs to see some gusty winds as well. And then, of course, the Metro and down into the Divide into Castle Rock area. Winds will start to lighten up around that 7 o'clock hour for your Wednesday for most of the Metro and Eastern Plains. But then we still have these winter weather alerts that will be in effect. Winter storm warning in effect until now, until midnight on Wednesday. Also, that winter weather advisory. We can see various different snow totals across the high country, so that's something that we're going to be watching. But the timeline for these precipitation is going to be, let's start tonight. We're going to see those precipitation start to move across our area. That snow and that rain around that 5 a.m. hour Wednesday, we're going to start to see really the bands of showers really move across most of the high country. By 3 o'clock, it's going to range from Steamboat Springs and those northern mountains, getting down into Vail, Breckenridge, Aspen, going down into Telluride. You're going to be expecting a lot of precipitation moving through. You can see about 4 to 8 inches depending where you are. But then by Wednesday night, we're going to start to see precipitation move across the Metro and the Eastern Plains. Now, it's going to be very much isolated showers, very low chances for snow across the Metro and Eastern Plains. But one thing to mention for tomorrow is those warm temperatures up into the 60s, low 70s across the board. Even high country will see some temperatures slightly above normal into the 40s, even though they're going to have snow across most of the area. And then honestly, heading into the rest of your week, you're going to be seeing dry conditions for your Thursday and your Friday. Here's your Metro planner for tomorrow.